So this is extended footage from Nathan's Honda Acti sale. He just went over his car, so I felt like it was only right to go over my Miata, because there's some people who want to trade you for one. So first and foremost, I guess this is my 1990 Miata, so it's older than both of our K cars.
Older than me.
I've older than me too. This one is special because it's the fully loaded version, so it has cruise control, which probably doesn't work.
Didn't know that.
It has power steering, which is pretty nice. It has speakers in the headrest.
Is it a 5-speed or a 6-speed?
5-speed, 5-speed, okay. Yeah. Yeah, it has speakers in the headrest. The lights do this, which everyone loves.
Can you make them dance?
I would do that, but they do that. Mine has a roll bar in it, which is a very good touch. Carbon fiber fenders from I forgot who, somewhere on AliExpress though. These lights actually can change on my phone, so I'll do a quick little flex.
That's sick.
Like I could put whatever I want.
You got those? They came with the car?
They came, but look, I could make it faster, I could make it slower, I could make it yellow, I could make it waves, I could make it super slow.
Do you ever use them?
No. I don't even care about this. This is just like a flex of like if I went to like a car show, I guess I would do it, but realistically I wouldn't. The ring also, I can change it if I felt like. Should I flex again? I gotta scan. But anyways, yeah, I could change this ring color. You see how it's kind of yellow? Yeah. I can make that blue, whatever color. Same thing on my phone. Painted Nardo gray. Front lit from eBay. That was pretty cheap. Blacked out turn signals. It has tires are Rota grids 15x9s. They're on 195 45/15, so a pretty annoying size. And as you can tell, I'm not really the best driver when it comes to like these stretch wheels. A lot of curb rash. This one has power windows, pretty nice on a Miata. Back here we have a 2-in-1 sub that absolutely slaps. I guess you get it on this side. This is from Carbon Miata, beautiful touch. This is from Carbon Miata, hardtop. I don't know, you might be a fan of the convertible life, but I actually really like hardtops after having so many Miatas. And then maybe one of the coolest things in just stick cars in general, you guys see where Nathan is sitting? That's more like it. Remote start on a manual car, which I need to let you guys know right now, not the best idea, because if you start at first, the car does go. Like, it'll just take off if it's at first, which means it would crash into this car, and there's nothing that can stop it. So I don't really use it too much because I have to confirm it's in neutral. But pop the hood, it's your standard 1.6. It's turbo though, CX Racing turbo kit, which is pretty nice. Look, mine has sequential tail lights too, which is pretty sick.
They're stock tails though?
No. The stock tails, but send them to like illumaesthetic or something like that, and they do that. And then same thing.
Did it? You said
yeah. And then these two.
Were they from an old Miata?
No, they're just the stock headlights, and then it does that too. Pretty nice.
Did those also? Yeah,
pretty nice flex. This car's full of subtle flexes, but all right, we can go in the car now, and he can drive it. First time driving a Miata. So I just wanted to pre-record this. I'm about 26 minutes away from Nathan's house. He's about to drive my Miata right now. He's never driven a Miata, but he's kind of like entertaining buying one or trading his Acti for one. And I just know that after he drives this car, he's going to want to buy a Miata, which is kind of cheating because like this isn't your regular $4,000 Miata on the marketplace. But I guarantee you guys right now, right-hand drive Ron, if you're watching this, you're gonna feel very similar. All things JDM, whoever drives this car, after you get that first Miata, it's like crack. Like, you're gonna want one, trust me, because this is my 7th. Like 100% gonna.
That was very scary. God, and I already want to buy one. Alright, let's get out of the neighborhood before I hit boost. I think I already did. You said you stayed out of boost most of the day today.
Yeah,
right?
boost is like at 4,000 now. So you could really just drive it and never hit boost. Not never, but like...
It feels very, like, obviously not the driving experience, but I'm just saying, like, physically, it feels similar to my BRZ. Ooh.
Yeah. It's planted,
nice,
bro. Like, it's a go-kart.
This thing is solid,
it's stiff,
man.
yeah.
I always hear Rudnick talking about how he likes the 5-speed more than the 6, but the 6 is worth more, so he'll just take it.
And it's stronger too. Like when I go out to see him, I'm gonna see if I could he could swap it, but I don't know. The 6 is just good for the highway. It's the same gear ratios, and it's stronger.
I know. I haven't driven a static car, or I should say, a stance car in almost a year now, man. It's crazy.
Because the S2000 wasn't at all, right?
Nah, that car was, it was
so
on
Nathan's had a S2000, a BRZ. That was all bags though.
Thing was on bags, yeah. Unfortunately, got totaled, and I'm not gonna go the way where that happened.
Oh wow, it happened over here?
Right over here, man.
Oh wow, that's crazy. Right by your house.
Make a left, I guess.
Yeah, that's a car. Windows work. Someone buys his Acti, he's gonna get a Miata. Okay.
I don't know who to trust. Somebody say I don't know how to love. Somebody say I'm too selfish that I never open up.
Right. No blinkers because I almost turned on the wipers because I'm used to the fan. Alright, you ready? Oh! Wow.
This is like 160 horsepower.
It feels amazing.
It feels good though. It's the perfect amount of boost. It's 3 pounds, by the way.
That's just 3 pounds of boost.
That's all wastegate pressure.
Sorry.
That's
cool.
These roads are I drove all the way from HVMY back.
Would you go down to second and call?
No, yeah, you can do a pull third. Like, I don't know if there's cameras by here.
No, there's supposed to be cameras.
That sound, right?
Oh my god, bro.
I'm telling you.
Why did I
don't know why you drove this car.
Why did I drive
your regular
this car?
Miata too. And like you go like this right now, it's literally a go-kart. I think even more than your BRZ. Like
I think it was. The BRZ when it was on lowering springs and stock suspension.
Yeah.
Great, bro. I used to handled great. I used to do donuts, everything.
Yeah.
Once I went on bags though, it's just kind of like you get that sloppiness.
Oh really?
Yeah, but
it looked cool.
That's what you got to do it for.
Yeah. I just drove this car an hour and a half to Hudson Valley to HVMY. Drove it 2 hours to Long Island. Miata is always the answer. That sound, right? Like fuck a blow valve. That flutter is orgasmic, bro. Like, bro.
Look at this smile.
Look how fast you're going. Look how fast you're going.
Yeah, I'm literally going this.
We're not going fast.
Just so everyone knows.
So much fun.
Like this is no TJ Hunt where I gotta blur out my speed over here.
We're going 40 miles per hour, but it's just so fun. Like this is why my transition to K's was so easy because like I'm used to driving slow cars that are quick, or driving a slow car fast. Like this was nothing to me. This is normal.
That's so nice.
And it throws you back. Man.
Oh, it does.
This isn't like it's not quick, but it's not slow. It's not your stock.
I think this car was made for me. I think when you're 5'9" and weigh 110 pounds,
yeah,
this is
bro,
what,
this is perfect.
This is what you're made to drive.
Like I'm comfortable right now. Like I drove a B. No shade to right-hand drive around. I drove a B. It was cool. I just feel like if I'm gonna spend that much money, I might as well get a Miata.
And was it turbo?
Nah, those are regular. I drove a Cappuccino. I mean, I've been in a Cappuccino before. Dude was driving it, and it was not pulling like this. And like they're 10 Gs.
This is always where I go when I test drive a car.
That sound.
And it handles. Like I don't feel like I'm gonna die.
No, bro.
I'm not. I actually drove
good. You're good right now.
What was it? Like a 2015 Fiesta ST. So it's.
Oh, okay.
It's got like a 1 something turbo.
Those are front wheel drive.
They're front wheel drive, and I gotta tell you, being a person that almost exclusively drives rear wheel drive, naturally aspirated cars, it was a very different experience. But I did not feel as comfortable as I do in this car. It was, yeah, it was much more squirrely, and no, this car doesn't make me feel like it's gonna spin out or anything, especially for a
1990 Miata.
I'm sure a lot of turbo Miatas have that issue. I mean, a lot of people use them to drift, right?
Yeah. It only has like 160 horsepower. I mean, factory's 90, so it's a big deal, but like, it's not a big deal. So I'm gonna drive and get some gas with him real quick and do a couple pulls. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy, but he definitely was granny shifting, and I'm gonna really like shift it, which I appreciate though, because it's not his car, but let's do a couple pulls.